Hello everyone, welcome to Tip Tips. Today I have an amazing trick for you to write multiplication tables. In this video I will teach you a trick to write any two-digit number table in no time. So let's begin. For this trick you should know the tables from 2 to 9. Suppose I want to write a table of number 23. First of all, I have to look at the units place. At units place, I have 3. So I will write 3 times table. Let's write 3 times 1 is 3. Like this, I can write 3 times table. 23 times and so 2. On. Now, 3 is on units place. So I will write 3 as it is. I have already done one video on multiplication tables from 11 to 19. In that I have told the trick already. Now there is a little variation. When we talk about numbers with tens place, 2 on tens place, as I have written 23. Now on tens place I have 2. So I will multiply this column with 2. And then I will add it to this 0. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 0, 2. So 23 times 1 is 23. Now 23 times 2. What is on units place? 6. Yes. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 0, 4. So we can say 23 times 2 is 46. Come to 23 times 3. 9 is on units place. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 0 is 6. So 23 times 3 is equal to 69. When we do 23 times 4, now here 3 4s are 12 as I have already written 3 times table. So 2 is on units place. So we will write here 2. 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. So it is as simple as that. As you can see, just we need to know the times table for units place. As 3 is on units place, so I wrote 3 times table. Then I have to write units place digit as it is. Then if I have 2 on tens place, then I will multiply this whole column with 2 before adding it here. Let's take a number starting with 3. 3 on tens place. 37. Now 37 times 1. What is the digit on units place? 7. So I have to write 7 times table. Yes. It's very simple. You can learn it within minutes. 7 times 1 is 7. Then 14, 21, 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. Like this I can proceed. So now let's come to the trick. 37 times 2, 37 times 3, 37 times 4 and keep on going. So I have 7 on units place. So I will write here 7. Again the variation is on my tens place I have 3. So I will multiply this whole column with 3. Now 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 0, 3. So 37 times 1 is 37. Now let's come to 37 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 plus 1, 7. And this 4 as it is. So we can say 37 times 2 is 74. So what I want to say here about the variation, we have to look at tens place. And we have to multiply the column with that number, that digit. So 3 is on tens place, so I am multiplying this column with 3. One more example. 37 times 3. Now 1 as it is. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 37 times 3 is 111. Like this you can keep on doing any two-digit number. Before I finish this video, let's take 2 more examples of greater numbers. Let's say 76. Yes. Now if I want to write table 76 times table, it is quite difficult to learn this. But with this trick, it is very simple to write it in seconds. Same way, now you can tell me which table I have to write. Yes, 6 times table because 6 is on units place. So 6 times 1, 6 times 2, like that. 6 times 4. So you can keep on doing, you can proceed further. Yes. Now 6 times 1 is 6. On units place I have 6 here. And what is my modification? Tens place. Yes. On tens place I have 7. So multiply this whole column with 7. 7 times 1, 7, and 7 plus 0, 7. So 76 times 1 is equal to 76. 76 times 2. This 2 as it is. 7 times 2, 14, and 14 plus 1 is 15. As you can see how quickly I am able to write this table. 8, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22. 4 as it is, 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30. As simple. Now if I take another number, 89. 89 seems to be difficult if I ask you to write a table. But with this trick, 9 times table you should know to write 89's table. 9 times 1. 9 times 2, 9 times 3, yes, we can write the 9 times table, then 89 into 2, 7. So what is the modification here? I have to look at which place? Tens place. So I have 8 on my tens place. So multiply this whole column with 8. 9 as it is. 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 plus 0, 8. So 89 times 1 is 89. Now 8 as it is. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 8 times 3, 24 plus 2, 26, and this 7 as it is. Now 6. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 3, 35. 5 as it is. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. I hope you understand this trick. 4 as it is. 8 times 6, 48 plus 5, 53. So like this you can write any 2-digit number times table.